and this is one pair that I like. I present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Air Max 270 on the Just Do It. Hey, what up guys, Pam's Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. Yes, I am wearing the same thing as last video. Yes, I am in literally the same setup because I just recorded the last video. I figured it'd be better because it's both boxes and I like this shirt. Which in that video I showed you guys this box, which again, it's the Air Max 270 on the Just Do It colorway, or part of the Just Do It campaign colorway. I couldn't find a better knife, so I just grabbed a kitchen knife. I am excited about these because, well, these are actually my size and I can actually show you guys what they look on feet, and I can actually wear them. The last time we had an Air Max 270 on the channel, it wasn't even my size. Okay, so yeah, the Air Max 270s do come in this box. Should figure that one out. But yeah, like I was saying, last time I had an Air Max 270 on the channel, it wasn't even my size, and I couldn't even know if you looked for them, so I had to take like shots from Drake's God's Plan video to actually show you guys what they look like, and it wasn't even the same colorway that I had. Been excited about this specific silhouette, the 270 silhouette. I really love the way the bubble looks in the back. I don't know, I just love it, but again, it was such a shame that I couldn't do it then. The outfit look, but right now I am back. I present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Air Max 270 on the Just Do It. My God, these are nasty. These are. Oh Lord, look at all that color scheme showing throughout. Oh Lord, these are. Oh no. I am so grateful I can do this. I'm grateful I can show it to you guys, because most of you guys come here just to see the shoe, to see whether or not you like them. I'm telling you, they just do it over here in the heel loop. I don't know, I think that these are going to be just like the Air Max 95 last video. They're going to be pretty simple, like it's the same thing that I already showed you in the original Air Max 270 unboxing. But either way, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys one more time. So you have a Nike swoosh over here on the inside of the shoe, and then a little bit next to that you have the 270 branding, logo, whatever you want to call it, over here more towards the middle of your foot, running more towards the toes. Going to the front, you have Max written over here on the very top or the very front of the shoe, and then moving towards the outside you have the small Nike swoosh in a highlight orange as well, and then nothing else really over here in this area, but you do have another black Nike swoosh right across from the one on the inside, but this time on the outside, followed by Air 270, I mean, right above the Air bubble, and then going towards the heel, I'm gonna go ahead and show you with both of them. You have Air written right on the back of the shoe, and then nothing else but a 270 kind of, it's really hard to see as well because of the transparent bubble. But then on the heel loop, like I told you a little bit earlier, you have Just Do It and the Nike box logo. But then taking a look at the tongue, you have a small ass Nike swoosh over here, and then followed by Air 270 once again, Air written on the highlight orange tone, and then 270 in black once again to keep the whole Just Do It color scheme going. Let me go ahead and take the paper out of the inside. And then you have Air Max. Oh God, I hope you can see it. This lighting is trash. You have Air Max written on the insole in a highlight orange tone as well. And now taking a look at the outsole, these are hella bright on the outsole. So you have that highlight orange running across the middle of the outsole, but then you also have it on the edge of the front, on the edge of the front of the outsole. I can't speak. It's really hot in here. Again, there's no AC. And I totally forgot you had this Nike swoosh over here in the front, right below the toes. And if you look at the shoe from like this perspective, you can see that a little bit of the orange is visible through the bubble. And yeah, I think that is it for these. Either way, the Air Max 270 is a pretty dope sneaker. Again, I've been a huge fan of the silhouette for a while now. And the fact that I was able to cop it in the Just Do It colorway makes it even better. I don't think they sold out. So if you guys want to check them out, I'm going to have links in the description. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways, that was it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Pass money bags. Out.